So I'll be showing you how to remove the SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works across the board on all the Galaxy S24s. So to remove the SIM card, it's very simple. Simply grab your SIM ejector tool. You can use the one that comes in the box or just any SIM ejector tool. And then grab your phone and then go to the bottom of the phone. And at the bottom of the phone, you will see the SIM tray. Okay. So here's the SIM tray right here. And you need to put the ejector tool into that hole in the SIM tray. So just put the SIM ejector tool into the hole of the SIM tray. Just be careful not to put it in this hole because that will damage the microphone. This is the hole you want to put the SIM ejector tool in. And under connections, just scroll down to SIM manager, tap on that. Now you might need to update this because I just took this physical SIM card out of the phone. And then go to your eSIM, tap on it, and on the eSIM page you should have the option to remove. You can tap on that, and then once you verify with your fingerprint, your identity or password, then you'll be able to delete that particular SIM card. Now deleting an eSIM is literally the same as removing a physical SIM card from the phone. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.